डन।
लुधियाना कौन बोल रहा है? सर लुधियाना
टाइम पे आ गया एकदम परफेक्ट।
Hello.
Would you like to say for the Tenet and watch the trailer?
Yeah, I've seen the trailer. Obviously, very excited for Shamita. Looks good. I'm looking forward to the movie. And अब देखते हैं मूवी देखने के बाद आपको बताऊंगा कैसी है।
Well, the Tenet जिस तरीके से ये स्टोरी है, क्या टेनेंट वाली कभी आपके साथ ऐसे कोई
यार
अनुभव
बिल्कुल
रहा
यार,
है?
मैं खुद टेनेंट रह चुका हूँ और मुझे पता है कितनी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है। और अब इसमें कितने ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न आने वाले हैं वो अंदर जाके देखते हैं। थैंक यू।
सेंटर में यहाँ पे सेंटर शमिता ने लेफ्ट मैम ये सेंटर शमिता ने लेफ्ट ऑन लेफ्ट शमिता मैम यहाँ पे
समिता जी इधर देखिए ना, इधर वीडियो के
सामने
समिता जी इधर
ये सामने थोड़ा सामने सेंटर मैम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सेंटर शमिता ने लेफ्ट मैम राइट
समिता जी इधर देखिए, इधर से
शमिता ने लेफ्ट
समिता जी
आपके लेफ्ट की तरफ समिता जी यहाँ पे
इधर, हाँ इधर बस बस। चलो समिता।
Rolling. Hi Shamita.
Hello.
पोस्टर में कुछ डिफरेंटली इस बार नजर आ रहे हो, प्लीज बताइए किस
Oh
तरीके
God,
की
yeah, I'm just
कहानी
seeing
है?
it actually. Well, बहुत टाइम के बाद मेरी एक रिलीज आ रही है and it's a beautiful story. It's the journey of a woman who has a troubled past and she's running away from it and she finally comes to live in this really orthodox colony of families with very conservative mindset. And how in a very small way she ends up making a change in each and every one of their lives. I think the story is one that is very relevant. When I say relevant today, it kind of focuses on a lot of issues that women face out there in the society we live in. Whether it is sexism that a lot of women have to face in their everyday lives, to patriarchy, to lack of privacy, so and constant judgment. You know, especially single women, single married women. It doesn't matter how successful you are in your life. If you're single and after a certain age labeled unmarried, then you're the bad influence. So it kind of focuses on a lot of right issues that need to be spoken about.
Did you have to talk to all such people who are tenant in Mumbai, especially?
Yes, I did actually. After I did this film, a lot of people that I know spoke to me about how difficult it was for them to rent an apartment because they were single. Even in a city like Mumbai, a cosmopolitan city like Mumbai, it is an issue.
What was the best part in this whole movie while shooting?
I think every bit. I loved every bit of it. It's a very different character from what I've portrayed in the past. She's very real. The situations are very real. All the characters are very real. In fact, the director Sushruth actually shot this film in the society he grew up in. And I think a lot of characters in this film are characters that he was influenced by when he was growing up. So I think a lot of people will relate to at least one character in the film. I'm sure they would have come across at least one character from the film.
What were the comments you got from your family after watching the trailer?
They're going to watch it today. Oh, the trailer. A positive reaction. You've seen the trailer. What do you think?
I felt like it is genuine. What happens is it has shown on that.
Yes, absolutely. So, a very positive reaction from everyone, and I'm hoping that people go to the theaters and watch this film, and a good OTT platform picks it up.
What made you yes for the story?
Darling, I wasn't offered that many characters or films. It's always been a while before my release. I mean, there's always been like a 2-year gap or a 3-year gap. I didn't, I think, get the kind of offers that I thought I deserved, you know. And this came to me at a time when I was meeting a lot of casting agents, and one of them got back to me, Hani Trihan, with this character. And I just said yes because I loved what I heard. I loved the narrative.
As you are also the part of Big Boss, so this year, whom do you think will be the winner?
I'm
of
not
Big
watching
Boss?
Big Boss.
Any of the contestants, whom do you?
I'm not watching Big Boss.
Anything else you would like to say to all the viewers?
Well, please go to the theatres and watch the film and give us a lot of love. We've actually waited for a very long time for this film to release, and I'm sure you guys will love the film.
Did you watch Pathaan?
Yes,
How was it?
super. Yeah, thank you.
hold समझते जी उधर इधर
यहाँ पे देखिए मैम
Yeah, thank you.
ईशा जी यहाँ पे देखिए ईशा जी आपके लिए ईशा जी मेरे पास आपके लिए सर इधर वो तो भी इधर इधर ईशा जी आपके मैम सेंटर मैम सेंटर ईशा जी मेरे पास ईशा जी आपके लेफ्ट ईशा जी आपके लेफ्ट ईशा जी आप ईशा जी इधर
बाइट करते हैं छोटा
Bite.
हाँ, थोड़ा आगे ले लो ना पोडियम पकड़वा लो ना भाई हाँ, अरे जाना भाई जा
Bharat, you want to give a bite?
Isha, क्या कहना चाहोगे?
That my cast still trying to. I don't know why he got it in.
Isha, what you would like to say for the Tenant? Did you watch the trailer?
I watched the trailer and I'm really excited to watch this film. I think it's Shamita back in action after a while, and I'm really excited for her. I'm here to support her and make sure this film is watched by everyone, and I'm really looking forward to it. She's looking hot, and she looks like she's done a fantastic job, so I'm eager to go watch it.
Looking at the title, The Tenant, is it so something has happened in your life, just like the title?
No,
Any of that?
no,
Nothing.
no.
Did you watch Pathaan?
Yes, I did.
How was it?
What can I say? I mean, you know, YRF, Shah Rukh Khan, fantastic. I think it's a big opening sixer that they've given the industry after a while, and I think it's great. I'm so glad and so happy the film has done well.
As the year 23 has been started, are we going to see any of the surprise from your side, any of your projects?
Well, I have actually taken up a project for the big screen. I'm currently shooting for it. So when the time comes to promote it, I'll be here promoting it. Yeah? Thank you. Take care.
आजा यार मैक्रो मैक्रो सिंपल थोड़ा इस तरह यहां पे आपके राइट पे रुको 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 अरे ये सेंटर राइट में मैं इधर मेरे पास नहीं देखा आपने सेंटर नहीं देखा एकदम सेंटर लेफ्ट हैंड वाह 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 ये यार शमिता ओहो नाइस एकदम सेंटर एकदम राइट यहाँ पे सब लोग मेरे पास एकदम सेंटर दिस साइड मैम यहाँ पे अलग भी दिस साइड है मैडम सॉरी लेफ्ट सेंटर अब इधर मेरे पास राइट इतने मागे लेफ्ट अरे लेफ्ट सारी इस साइड मैम इधर देखो ना सब मैम दिस साइड मैम लेफ्ट में
यहाँ पे लेफ्ट मैडम यहाँ पे शिल्पा जी आमच्याकडे शिल्पा जी लेफ्ट में यहाँ पे शिल्पा जी यहाँ मैम ये दिस साइड शिल्पा जी यहाँ आकांक्षा जी आकांक्षा जी शिल्पा जी एक बाइट कर लेते हैं बाइट छोटा सा
क्या बोलना क्या है? मेरे पिक्चर
के लिए क्या कहना चाहोगे? ट्रेलर आपने देखा, कैसा लगा?
मैंने कुछ एक्सर्प्स भी देखी हुई है क्योंकि मेरी बहन की पिक्चर है और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. Sushruth has done a fabulous job. He's a great writer and now he's directed. My sister, बिना कोई bias मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ, it's one of her best performances and it's a really beautiful film, The Tenant. आज का जो माहौल है, लोग ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं, ये कलयुग है, तो इस दौर में कैसे लोग एक टेनेंट की तरफ देख के दे कास्ट एस्पर्जन्स और जजमेंट्स पास करते हैं, उसके बारे में है. एंड अबाउट हाउ लाइफ हैज़ बिकम लाइफ टुडे. तो बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म है और प्लीज़ जाके देखें आप.
वेल हाल ही में हमने सुना है कि डेटबाजी में भी हम आपको बहुत ही जल्द देखने मिलेगा. कुछ बताना चाहेंगे उस बारे में?
उसके बारे में हम अलग दिन पे बात करें.
पठान आपने देखा?
इतने सारे
So what you would like to say for The Tenant? Did you watch the trailer?
I did see the trailer. I think it's looking fabulous. I remember Shamita telling me shooting this film, she was really happy because it was not a regular film. Or I wanted that when it comes out, मैं देखूं, because the one line of the story, which you'll know soon, is really good. So very proud. She's a great friend, and I love all of them. So I've just come to support.
Are we going to see any of your projects in 2023?
So I've taken a 3-year sabbatical. Last 3 years, ever since I did my last show on television called Behad. I've been building my own businesses. I've been doing some kind of production myself. You'll know soon. But I think this year in 23, I plan to restart acting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So visuals this side,
Thanks.
राइट
Thank you.
थैंक यू